Your question is curative petition in India can be filed in Supreme Court under article. Your options are A 138, B 140, C 142 or D 146. Right answer is C 142. Your question is consider the following statements and state which one of them is correct. Your options are A Supreme Court of India has only original jurisdiction, B it has only original and appellate jurisdiction, C it has only advisory and appellate jurisdiction, or D it has original, appellate as well as advisory jurisdiction. Right answer is D it has original, appellate as well as advisory jurisdiction. Your question is which article of the Constitution permits the Supreme Court to review its judgment or order? Your options are A Article 137, B Article 130, C Article 139 or D Article 138. Right answer is A Article 137. Your question is which one of the following is correct with regard to the power to review any judgment pronounced or order made by the Supreme Court of India? Your options are A the President of India has the power to review such judgment or order, B the Supreme Court has the power to review its judgment or order, C the Cabinet has the power to review such a judgment or order with the permission of the President of India, or D the Supreme Court does not have the power to review its judgment or order. Right answer is B the Supreme Court has the power to review its judgment or order. Your question is judicial review implies the right of the court to. Your options are A declare any law or order invalid if it is in conflict with the Constitution, B review the order of the lower courts, C hear appeals against the decision of the lower courts, or D review the laws to see that they have been passed as per the procedure laid down. Right answer is A declare any law or order invalid if it is in conflict with the Constitution. Your question is judicial review means that the Supreme Court, your options are A has final authority over all issues, B can charge allegations against President, C can review the issues decided by high courts, or D can declare illegal any law of the state. Right answer is D can declare illegal any law of the state. Your question is the system of judicial review is prevalent in. Your options are A India only, B UK only, C USA only, or D both in India and USA. Right answer is D both in India and USA. Your question is consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India defines its basic structure in terms of federalism, secularism, fundamental rights, and democracy. 2. The Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the citizens' liberties and to preserve the ideals on which the Constitution is based. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B. 2 only. The Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the citizens' liberties and to preserve the ideals on which the Constitution is based. Your question is under which article of the Constitution the courts have been prohibited from inquiring the proceedings of the Parliament? Your options are A Article 127, B Article 122, C Article 126, or D Article 139. Right answer is B Article 122. Your question is judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on. Your options are A due process of law, B procedure established by law, C rule of law, D precedents and conventions, or E none of the above. Right answer is B procedure established by law.